So here's just another list processing question that came from one of the exams. So we've got 3 questions here, which is all about the same list, and that list is just the names of days of the week. So the first one that we're looking for here is the head of the tail days. So the tail is this bit here, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So the head of that will be Monday. So Mun is the answer to that one. And that's because we take the tail first from the list, and the tail is all of the items that are not the head. So that was the first one. So then in this case we've got tail of the head of days. So the head of days is just sun. So we've got a list with just sun in. So the tail of that, there is no tail for that, so it's going to be an empty list. So it's just an empty list for that one because there is no tail, because we've already found the head of that, and then we're finding the tail of that result. So there is no tail. So then on this one, we're saying we've got days. So taking the tail of days is these ones. Taking the tail of that is these ones. Taking the tail of that are these ones. And the question is asking is that an empty list? And the answer is no. So it returns false. So the idea of the command empty, it returns false if there's something in there. If it's an empty list like we'd got here, it would return true. So in this case, when you're looking at these tails, just think of one at a time. We've got the whole of the days. So that first tail of them is just removing the Sunday and just looking at the tail. Then we've got the tail of that, which again is just removing the month and looking at the Tuesday onwards. Then the tail of that, removing the Tuesday, getting the Wednesday onwards, but we've got something in there and the command was empty. So the answer is false.